to Pluto by Danica and Alicia.
Pluto's appearance. Pluto's colors are red, white, and kind of beige color. Pluto's surface is characterized by mountains, valleys, plains, and craters. This video is about our plan to travel to Pluto and make a substantial lifestyle there for 2 weeks.
The amount of time to get to Pluto on average is 9 years, but we created a new spacecraft to shorten the time to just 6 months. For liftoff, we will attach rockets onto our ship, so liftoff looks just like this. Once we get high enough, the rockets will fall off the ship, and we will be fast enough to break free of Earth's gravity, and we will be on our way to Pluto, now in space.
Using the spacecraft shown to you, we have found a way to reduce the travel time significantly.
In our spacecraft, we will be using the EM drive, which was created as the technology that will take us to the most distant parts of the universe very fast.
Innovation theory works by trapping microwaves in a trapped chamber where their bouncing produces thrust. Since the chamber is closed, means from the outside it will move without any fuel input or thrust output.
Some might be confused of how this will work without energy going in or out. We will be using a warp drive. The warp drive will contract the space immediately in front of the central region containing the ship and will expand the space behind immediately. This shows the warp drive as a wave of curvature on which the ship will ride to its destination, which is Pluto.
But for challenges like the asteroid belt, we just have hope we don't hit anything, especially at the speed we are going. Also, as we pass the planets, to avoid being pulled in by the gravity, we have added to the tank of incense fuel so that we can slingshot off the planets at a rapid speed to make trip quicker.
This ship can hold a heavy amount of weight, which we use for water supply and food supply, and many heaters because Pluto is freezing with an average temperature of minus 232 Celsius.
Now, when we land on Pluto, we have heated astronaut suits, which we will use to get around Pluto, setting up our heaters.
Because it's so cold, the ice can form mountains. The water is basically Pluto's bedrock. Pluto's rotation cycle is 6.39 days and takes up to 247.8 years to revolve around the sun.
Pluto also has 5 moons: Styx, Nix, Kerberos, Cheiron, and Hydra.
So anyways, when we land, we'll first set up the heaters, then start our colony for the next 2 weeks we are here.
Our spaceship will deploy these kind of buildings shown on the screen. That's why our colony will look like just 2 buildings.
Alicia and I will each get our own type of living space for research. We will have heating inside and also outside our places. We only have enough resources for 2 weeks, so the whole time we are there, we will be gathering research. Once we are done on Pluto, we will take the spaceship back to the International Space Station and keep the research there. After that, we will go back to Earth.